start on this Jeep here, and got the battery still in there, the old one, and I'm gonna be replacing this battery. Right down here, guys, right over here, you will see number 10 all the way down there. All right, I'm gonna be removing that. If you have a Jeep, similar procedure, guys. It might be a little different setup. However, if you have a new Jeep, such as earlier models, you don't want to do this. You want to save the memory. This car doesn't have electrical throttle body, so I'm not worried about it. So if you have the new Jeeps, you gotta be careful because they got electrical throttle body. They will not have a proper idle once you remove the battery. All right, so you have to save the memory first. And sometimes this bolt down here will break, so don't worry about it. You're gonna have to work some magic there. All right. Over time, corrosion gets in there. All right, once I put the battery in, I will show you the battery that I'm putting in. All right, so it's coming out little by little. Just give me a moment. There you go, guys. I'm gonna put a little bit of lubrication here when I put this back, and I'm gonna leave this number 10, which is not gonna probably come out. All right, we have that, and then we need to remove the terminals here. So all you do is, let's bring the camera over. So just take the proper size. In this case, I have like number 12 or 13 here, but my 13 works pretty good here. Alright, like I said, if you have electrical body, guys, save the memory or let the car run. Watch my other videos how I replace batteries on electrical throttle body cars. So this is ready to come out. Sometimes this won't open up and it won't let the battery terminal come off, but there it is, guys. Alright, I have it all out. This battery that I'm taking off is a 880 cold cranking amps. Let me show you guys. And right there is the CCAs. All right. So simply lift out the battery. All right. And I'm gonna go get my new battery. All right, guys. Before I bring the battery, I want to clean the terminals. So all you need is a small little wire brush. Clean the terminals really good from inside. All right. These don't look so bad, but just make sure you clean the inside really good, because that's where it's gonna be. Outside could be looking like nothing fancy, but inside, make sure it's nice and clean. All right, guys. That looks pretty good. So, here comes my battery. Alright, guys, here's the battery. Slowly, don't slam it. And there goes the battery. Alright, we have the battery in place. We're gonna take negative, put the negative in, and then we're gonna take the positive, put the positive in. You might get a little bit of spark. No problem. All right, and then all you need to do is hold it down, tighten the battery, double check your connections. All right, so there we have the battery, and pretty good, guys. Make sure you put good cold cranking amps, and That should take care of the problem. In winter time, especially when it gets cold, your battery is gonna die. All right, when it's cold, you need a good battery. Summertime, the battery will keep going, but winter time, you need a good battery. All right, you can also put some battery grease on the terminals. So you simply take this grease, put it onto the battery, and make sure you wipe it down, the excessive of it. All right, this will prevent any corrosions. I would put a little bit more after. When I'm done, I'll put a little bit more inside on the terminal. That should take care of this really good. All right, guys, I am gonna put this little guy back in. I'm gonna clean it up, and then I'm gonna put it back in, and this is what will hold the battery in. But anyway, guys, we have a new battery in there. I hope you like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, just send me a message. All right, so we have a battery on the Jeep. All right, bye bye.